In this video, we'll discuss running Scikit-Learn clustering functions using UnifyML SQL, specifically focusing on the k-means clustering algorithm. We'll demonstrate how to run the Scikit-Learn k-means algorithm using a UnifyML SQL query. First, mention your required input table name and input columns, including the target column that you want to predict. Specify the partition column, which is the column you want to use for partitioning. You can also adjust the parallelism settings for running the operation in parallel. Data cleaning is an important step. UnifyML provides 4 methods to clean the data: remove rows with null values, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill missing values. For data scaling, you can choose from 4 methods: MinMaxScaler, StandardScaler, Normalizer, and Binarizer. If you choose MinMaxScaler, you need to specify the minimum and maximum scalar values to scale your data between 0 and 1. You can then save the model for future predictions. Specify the output model name when saving it. There are several more parameters you can configure for the Scikit-Learn k-means algorithm. You can specify the partition column, change the data types of columns using the input data types parameter, set the maximum number of iterations, maxiter, define the number of leaf clusters, and split the data into training and test sets by specifying the training sample size. The remaining data will be used for testing. After configuring all parameters, run the query. The UnifyML server will execute it, and the output will include performance metrics like MSE, MAER, MSE, our superscript 2, accuracy, and the saved output model name. Next, let's look at making predictions with the k-means algorithm. For the prediction query, mention your input table and the model you saved earlier. As with the training phase, you can partition the data, adjust data types, clean the data, and scale it. You can save the predicted results to the database or overwrite an existing output table by setting the overwrite output table Boolean value to true. Alternatively, you can save the predicted results as a CSV file by specifying the output CSV name. After setting up the parameters, run the query. The server will process the prediction and generate the predicted column as part of the output. By following these steps, you can apply the Scikit-Learn k-means function to any clustering dataset based on the requirements of your model and prediction task. Thank you for watching this video.